Okay, hi. I'm here to do a quick Triller tutorial for you guys. Here is the app right here. You're just going to click on that. Then you click on this plus sign. And you're going to do music video. And then the hardest part about this is picking a song. So I usually like to go to my Spotify playlist. I like the songs more. The ones featured are not as good. I'm going to do this one, Good as Hell by Lizzo. And here is where you change the timing. So you can change it to 31 seconds for this song. If you have your own, if you download your own music, you can actually go as long as you want. But these are little clips. So you can preview the song by pressing that. No, she's gonna. So here's the song. It's fine. It's fine. No, I need her. Thank you.
I will help you find her in a second.
So you got up here is where you can flip the camera. This is, you can use different filters.
Taylor, do you want spirit?
So we'll use this weird one. No, I don't like that.
Mom, when am I gonna dance?
In a second. Thank you. She wants to dance. We gotta get her to dance. Alright, and then here's where you change the speed. You can do normal, slow, and fast. Now fast is actually going to sound slow, and slow is going to sound fast. So you dance accordingly. So, I'm going to flip it to record my daughter. Alright, and then it's going to count you down so you can get into position. Alright, go! You don't have to sing out loud like she's doing. So you hear how it's going slow? Catch mommy. So this is about a minute recording, so it's a longer video. But again, the appearance of you is actually going to look fast. Almost done. I love you, girl. Alright, so it's going to process for a few minutes. So we gotta wait for it to process. Not a few minutes, it just takes a few seconds. And I'll show you a few other things. Alright. So like I said, the hardest part about this is picking a song. And then you can also take this right here and you can upload your own videos. So like I can use one from like I did earlier. And then it says downloading from whatever, and it'll put it in your, these all over here to the left are all your clips. So it'll put it over there into your clip. So yeah, each video you can change your filter, and you can actually do this after also. So you don't have to select it ahead of time. Alright, hold on. Getting kind of noisy in there. Alright, we're almost done. It's a beautiful day out here. This is my backyard I grew up in. Alright, I'm sorry. Here we go. I'm going to show you one other thing and then we'll mash them together and I'll show you how you can edit at the end with the mashups. So the slow one, I'm going to just show you that. That is actually going to sound super fast. Alright. I had to get myself in there a little bit. I don't know if it happened. Alright, then you press shuffle when you're done. And you play it and see what it looks like. Oh, that's my booty shaking one. My bubble butt song. So, sorry. Alright, so if you don't like this part, okay, I can pause it really quick and then go to edit video, and you can pick like a different part of the clip. So if you want to even, like, so you have to be paused on the video. So, and then you can like play it, you can rewind back, click here. Oh, I don't like that part. Or, I like that part. I don't like this part, so I'm going to select this one to go in that slot. Okay, or you can hit the shuffle button and it'll reshuffle your things, and then you see if that one, if you like that one, you know. Alright, and so once you're done, you hit finish, then you have to select your category. We usually do workout and fitness. Then you set to private, and then you post and save. And that takes a minute. And then I'll show you, I don't download mine anymore. I actually just saved my camera roll. So I don't know if everyone has that access to that. Let me show you. I did hit more, and then I just say save video. So I used to hit this download, but I just save video. I don't know if it's maybe doing the same thing. I don't know. I never automatically go right to Instagram or Facebook or any of that. I'll just save the video. And then I'll show you how you can delete them, because it does take up a lot of storage in your phone. So go to your home. Hold on, you can get out of there. Oh, see, it's still like creating that. These are like people that do their own, that you can like watch. They're funny. But underneath here, it needs to get out of there, is where you get back to your, oh, there, okay. Here's your projects. So you go in, you can either reselect this, but then you gotta hit those 3 buttons and then delete it that way. Like that, and then delete. You have to do it individually. Or you can go back to them this way, and you can hit that trash can. Where did it go? There. You can hit the trash can. And that's it. So I'm trying to think. Oh, so here's where you can like so here's that clip, okay? Like down here you can change the filter now. Or you can change it even more like through here, which are like not necessarily like moving filters, but just like the shade of the filter. And yeah, I think that's about it. So have fun. It's a blast.